is Coco and today we're making mini choco-banana. Your ingredients are chocolate chip, half and half cream or milk, butter, and banana. First is melting the chocolate. You need a tablespoon of half cream or milk, and 1 tablespoon of butter. Now we need to melt it in the microwave for 30 seconds. Ask an adult to help you take out the bowl from the microwave and start mixing. And then put it on in the microwave for another 30 seconds. Every time you take it out of the microwave, mix good until it's melted. If you see little lumps, keep microwaving it. Now that it's fully melted, let it cool down. Meanwhile, we're going to cut the banana. Cut it in small pieces. And put your hand as far as you can from the knife. Now let's fill up our cups with chocolate and banana. Put the chocolate on the bottom. And then put a banana inside. And then put chocolate on top of the banana. Chocolate, banana, chocolate, chocolate, banana, chocolate. We had enough to make 10 choco bananas. Now we're going to put it in a freezer for a few hours. Three hours later, they're ready to come out of the freezer. And there you go for your dessert.